Imagine waking up to breaking news that every continent on Earth has begun sliding across the planet at 10 meters per day, and no one knows how to stop it. This is not just a geological curiosity. This is the beginning of the most chaotic transformation in human history. At first, scientists scrambled to explain the impossible. Tectonic plates don't move this fast. Volcanoes don't activate simultaneously across the globe. And coastlines don't redraw themselves overnight, yet it's happening. Cities near fault lines become battlegrounds of collapsing buildings. Ruptured highways can ground fissures, splitting apart entire neighborhoods. Coastal megacities like New York, Shanghai, and Rio discover that their shorelines are literally shifting under their feet, turning stable land into drifting zones of destruction. Governments issue global emergency alerts as infrastructure fails. Highways tear, pipelines snap, internet cables rip apart, and power grids fall one by one. But this is only phase one. As continents accelerate, new oceans begin forming between regions that have been connected for millions of years, while old seas disappear as landmasses crash into each other with unstoppable force. Europe drifts toward North Africa, triggering heat waves and desert winds that slam into southern cities unprepared for Sahara-level temperatures. Australia slides toward Southeast Asia, creating a colossal collision zone predicted to generate earthquakes more powerful than anything in recorded history. Meanwhile, the Pacific becomes a superstorm generator as the ocean reorients itself, spawning hurricanes the size of countries. Humanity faces an unprecedented refugee crisis. Billions forced to evacuate regions that are effectively becoming moving targets. Nations collapse into panic as borders literally shift daily, making maps obsolete within hours. Scientists race to understand the hidden mechanism. Is Earth's core destabilizing? Is mantle convection exploding? Or is something even stranger happening beneath the crust? And as continents continue gliding, global climate spirals out of control. New mountain ranges form, old climates vanish, jet streams are scrambled, and ecosystems collapse as animals lose their habitats in real time. The world realizes a terrifying truth. If continents keep moving, civilization will be torn apart long before they ever reach a new equilibrium. The question is no longer, why is this happening? But how much time do we have before our cities, our nations, and our entire way of life are erased by the shifting planet beneath us? In this video, we dive into the catastrophic chain reactions, the scientific theories behind the impossible acceleration, and the shocking future humanity must face when the ground itself refuses to stay still.